I hope gold trade will go in your favor this time. We'll see, bro. I'm taking in before the London Opens. Let's see. Do you use 30-minute fair value gap or inverse fair value gap? Uh, it's better if I use 30-minute fair value gap with lower time frame inverse fair value gap. I kind of use both, but I typically don't use 30 minutes, like too high a time frame for me. Why is it pulling back, bro? Should just die if the fair value gap gets inversed. GU is pushing nicely. I know, bro. I took trade on GUC. I took on UU, sorry. I hit 1 to 2. I just closed it. GU was moving nicely. I was watching how it was deviating, so reacted to this order block. It was where is it? Yeah, I thought it was sweep liquidity, but we mainly equal lows. Reacted to this order block. I took trade on this thing. EU was like moving slow, so we were like forming SMT 1000. So this high, all these highs, okay. On EU, I didn't get taken out, but on GUC, somewhere here, yeah, these highs got taken out here. So it pulled back. I thought it'll go take out these lows. It didn't take out those lows. It took out lows right here. So we had an SMT. So with that, I just took out longs. It was a nice 1:2. Easy trade this was. See how this goes. Mm. Feel like today we'll reach these highs. These highs. Target was these highs. I don't know where I marked. Yeah, I'm just I'm like keep longing like for UJ. UJ you can like I think you can directly correlate with gold only. As UJ, I don't use CST Do I have it? I used to have it. Hmm. You can just use indexes, bro. A dollar is there. No, just go on dollar. Where is it? TXY. See, they both are like same. You can correlate with the dollar index only. Or else, I think JPY was also the JPY. This is there. You can correlate with this inverse. If JPY is there, you can like yeah DXY and you can use this as inverse and then USD as same direction. I gave up on trading gold for a while because it was trading at all-time high. But now we'll see how it goes. Gold, I haven't taken any trade. We took out higher time for like liquidity, started to follow bearish order flow. We have these equal lows right here. This was that news scandal low which Trump announced. Trump is messing with me, bro. I'll try closing partials here. Yeah, somewhere here I'll close partials if it goes. Ah. I think used it gold. Gold is crazy. It moves wild sometimes. Yeah, sometimes it just goes. It doesn't give entries. That's the only thing that I hate about gold. Once it starts like moving in one direction, it doesn't retraces properly. It doesn't give proper entries. That's the only thing I hate about gold. Its moves are crazy. I think USD or CHF. This guy's being huge, I think. And just use dollar index, bro. Are you risking zero point 0.5? No, I'm risking 1% now. I started risking 1%. It should move with good volume though. I don't know why. Uh, I say it moves. It should move. If we inverse this gap, every time there's an inversion, if it starts to move very slow, I just close a trade at break even or something. It should move fast if it inverses some gap. That's pretty nice volume. What's this? It doesn't work in this. Some there are some traders, okay, like ICT traders whom I know. If there's like inversion like on 5 minute, they just keep stop loss like this tight, like little above the inversion. Look at the TP. It's all already 1 to 4. They can just take at these lows. If it inverts here, they can like take profit here. Easy 1 to 4. But I don't like the win rate on that. And there is spread. People do it on futures more often. Futures doesn't have spread. We took out these lows, but yeah. Mm, what else? What is happening with silver though? Why is it pushing up? You have divergence on silver and gold. I don't like that. Yeah, bro, dodgy inverse Ferrari gap. But yeah, yeah. There's one more guy. This what's his name? Trader. Yeah, Trader Lewis something. But same thing though. His dodge is student only. I really don't like the divergence over here. I'll keep stops. I just watch this pair. No, no. I don't want to take partials here. We'll keep it at here. How much was your first payout? $85 something. It's very less. Yeah, I made 2%, so $100 something that took, yeah, around 85 after tax and all. The, mm, mm, I really don't like the volume here. It did push though. Uh, Almost close to 1%. What's the time? 12:20. London will open now. Yeah, it is kind of risky. See how DXO is crashing. Mm, yeah, bro. Sad luck this is. I'll put it to break even. Actually, can't risk. Nice trade though. We'll see how it goes here. Um, Still has potential because we invest this gap, so break even is better. Because I don't like how this dollar index is moving. Look at it. It's like it literally crashed. It's on break even. So, it's better to be break even here because we have this gap also which got inversed. So if we really want to like push lower, I think this is enough to hold. Otherwise, we'll go break even. Mm. Europe would have hold it. S- What is the highest? Some 575 something. Recently it was taken 575 something. Nah, bro. We'll see. There's still chance. First, we invest this gap. I'm confident if this gap can hold, then we'll reach here. I can take partials at least. That's why I put it to break even. Cause really, because one thing is that this is going down. Dollar is very bad, and then silver is showing some divergence. It's showing bullish divergence, not in bearish. Mhm. See if this gap holds and then wait, we close below this. It'll be nice. I just want this candle or the next candle to close below this. Yeah, consolidating. London will open here. Yeah, one more minute. If it closes here, it'll be nice. I wanted to go longs on EUD, no retracement. There's literally no retracement here. The spare sucks. Here, one. Uh, this is also very bad actually. GBP JPY. It's just consolidating. Thought this directional move will play out and do. Nas played good. Uh, what's happening here? The London Open. I went on break even. Yeah, stopped at break even. Hmm. That's it. We'll see. Gold sucks role in cases like this. But good decision though, instead of taking one loss. Hmm. Let's see. Sure. Yeah, this is crashing. The short bullish divergence. That's fine. Gold is actually lagging. I'll remove this. We can look for longs, but targeting these is only if inverses though. I thought London would push down to these equal lows or these lows at least. But now current price is like consolidating. Can look for both directions. The thing is that we are currently above the discounted here, so if it wants to draw to these Asian highs, that'll be good. So macro is there though. Yeah, only if inverse though. Otherwise, my bias would be correct and we can come down to these lows. See, inverse less than 1 minute. Uh, I feel like this is gonna play out the way I expected. Don't want to re-enter. Yeah, I was blindly version. Let this play out. We'll see. We'll come later. I just don't want to re-enter here for some other pairs. I feel like if we take out these eyes, we can look for like little shots for like retracement. That would be better. Yeah, that we can do. Literally seek and destroy this is. Yeah, shots are still valid. I know this is gonna go now. Yeah, gold hates me, bro. Direction played out, but mm, it's fine. Why do you have a liquidity sweep here? This is utterly bearish. No. Uh, Sucks though. Today, if I do like trade NYC, uh, this candle doesn't have bottom wick, so when the session opens right here, it's gonna go down to create this bottom wick. Might look for shorts. We are kind of creating equal highs here. Mm, Uh, we just have to wait for a while though. Is there any questions? Like we can discuss something. It'll be boring right now. Thought of re-entering in this macro, but uh, but we have to displace below this low. If there's some candle closes below this, keep this. I'll actually let this. If any candle closes below this, this will be change in the state of delivery. Which streaming software are you using? OBS Studio. If some candle closes below this, I can enter there, stops above these highs, and target these lows. The risk to reward gets messed up though. Earlier I was getting around 3. The game is of risk to reward, that's the thing. We do have some volume. Okay, we do have SMT divergence here. We need like a nice candle closure above us, like with good volume. This would be a little risky. I'll risk 0.5% if it comes. Why does it have to drop this much? Oh, no point, bro. Why does it have to drop? I can't even enter here. Let it retrace for a while, and yeah, that's actually nice volume. Uh, what is the uses of volume profile? It tells you where most buyers and sellers are involved. Wait, let me put this. See how it goes. I entered here exactly that fair value gap. half percent risk though. Try getting 1:2. We have these equal lows. Uh, See, the use of volume profile is it gives you like the proper area where most buyers and sellers are involved. Let's say I draw from here to here. See, this is the point of control. That's why it took one. Like you can expect good price action to happen here, and then yeah, it's something called as like a fair value area where like the market creates inefficiency and price acts as a magnet, and then yeah, most buyers and sellers are involved right there. The settings are messed up though. It was different before. I don't know why it's big now. Oh, that's why. This proper. Took two losses today, done for the day. Which pair, bro? Monday though, try avoiding Mondays only. Buying GJ. Why do you want to trade in this market, bro? Tell me. It's proper consultation. Don't even get involved. Seriously, it's my suggestion is like avoid this whole condition right here. It's proper consultation. Mm, Try avoiding. We have equal lows and proper consultation. And the buying is very slow. Look at how the candles are going. I feel like you saw this sweep and then closure above. Try avoiding. My if I want to trade, I would avoid like these type of market conditions and look for buys. Better than looking for sells. Yeah, buys is correct. Buys is correct, but make sure you avoid this type of market. Try getting involved in these type of market. What happened to this? Yeah, it's moving. Gold is consolidating. By the way, thanks for your journal template. Welcome, bro. No problem. Just wonder out what to put in RR column. I mean the value are like 1:2 or just put off 2R, 3R. It's just the same thing. If it's 1 to 2, everything is one. No, one is common. So make it two. Just put it 2, 3, 4. How much rest of your you're taking? If you're taking 1:2, put 2. 1:4, put 4. 4.5 is 4.5. Just put on the second thing after the slash. That's my uh, See, like this, you can do 2.53. Like this, you can put how much risk to reward it was. Add this also low, the rating for the trade. I'll actually update the journal. I'm actually making like a separate journal because I'm making videos on that, right? So I'm currently making a separate journal for that. If trade goes against, so then it's -1. Yeah, it's -1 if it goes against us. If I were to take partials here, we'll see if it comes again. I'll take close little here, and then I'll reduce my stop to this low or this low. Yeah, a good thing we got like break even in gold. See how it's consolidating. No point. Looking for buys, gold. Okay, try bro. I'm avoiding XAUSD. We are stuck in this range actually. This range. Feel like this pullback was around 0.71. Yeah. See, almost close. 0.78. Can look for buys. I closed little here. We'll see how it goes. SL is here now. Gold might move. Mm, Yeah, we kind of like, yeah, inverse this gap. Check DFVG and institutional sponsorship. What is that, bro? I've heard institutional sponsorship. What is DFVG? I just don't want to add more things to this, though it's already enough for me to be like it's enough to be profitable and continue this thing. I'm actually learning this things, Sierra charts and what do you call that? I can't get it here. Not this. There's volume candle. You have to pay. Pay in that also it's lagged. I'm currently learning that is enough with this. Daily fair value. Okay. Check daily fair value gap on what was about to hit though. Even this one, I feel like, see, the thing is that daily time frame, this obviously happens in gold. We sweep out, oh, wait, there we go, yeah. The thing is that we sweep out lows. So this whole area was high, this thing, good liquidity sweep, pushing up. I'm expecting price to come to this equilibrium from here to here. At least it'll come here. I don't trust this fair value gap though. This is on premium. I wanted to come to discount. I feel like it's gonna come till here. We're gonna come down, tap somewhere here, and then push up. Because we already have this liquidity sweep. It shouldn't come below this. So I feel like it's gonna tap here, push up. If there is if there is news, it might come when the news is at 100%. Mm, Yeah, we did come here to discount. We can't trust, bro. The thing is that, listen, the thing is that you can't trust when Trump is there. Rest of the higher side of it, not come to downside. We'll see if time comes. I don't take trades on swing, so Good draw on liquidity as the slow that fair value. Yeah, if it disrespects 50%, I'll look for the other one. So you know, almost about to reach. Oh, okay, okay, nice. I don't know why GBP is consolidating. It should have gone down though. Mm, do we have no news today? Tomorrow we have CPI. Oh, the scared CPI is fine. And then GBP. Yeah, I might not trade on Tuesday. Wait, it's gonna hit DP. It's literally one pip around my stop loss. Somewhere here, sorry, my take profit is. Yeah, it reached GG here only. So, nice trade though. Give me 2 hour. Close to 2 hour, but yeah, SL was here. Oh, SL made it 2 hour. Yeah, it was here. I don't trust gold. GJ broke the consolidation. Where is it? Oh yeah, it did. This is actually nice, but see, we have liquid. If you want me to do analysis, I will do. So we'll go from high time frame. So, oh yeah, We have this new day opening up, which got filled and then we pushed down. But took out liquidity on 4 hours. Also time. Yeah, you can consider this as a valid sweep on 1 hour, on 30 minutes. Yeah, we took out these lows also. Took out these lows. There is still equal lows right here. One thing, one concern. Okay, so buys we have like 3 points, sells we have 1 point. Can look for sells, but see, we have this one fair value gap which might react. Okay, keep that in mind. And then we again swept liquidity here. If we sweep liquidity and then we started to break the structure here, you can remove you can keep this, but yeah, you can remove this and this. Concentrating the, yeah, can look for longs. Check on how this gap acts. This gap where you determine if you want to take this thing, take a trade or not. Because this is where the buys will have. Can go for long somewhere here. Can make this as a trade, but take partial somewhere. If you are taking longs, this could have been your trade. But the only thing is that there's one fair value gap. That's the only this thing disadvantage to this trade. We came to this fair value gap, we filled it. We might still react from here and then push down because this thing is also as an order block. See, we tapped there exactly and then might react. We have order block fair value gap, so yo wish. What's the daily bars though? Yeah, you can look for longs. It's mixed opinion for me. But yeah, if I wanted to take a trade, I would have taken this long, like with 0.5% risk or something. Because we shouldn't trade below this area right here. Uh, right. Okay, we shouldn't come below this low only. Because if people are trapped here, it shouldn't give them break even. So if this is long somewhere here, can do this. That's it. I don't trust gold. Also time. I'm thinking of taking one more trade in macro. So the macro opens in like 10 more minutes if I find a trade better. Otherwise, yeah, we'll see. This can be a like a potential long because we have equal highs above. And if we inverse this, might go for like a short long somewhere here. Yeah, it is getting around 1 to 2. I just don't want it to push too high. You're asking me to analyze GBP, JPY. I just did know, bro. Can look for potential long here. It is moving up now. This was like potential long. SL below this because we already trap people here. Can target these highs all the way till these highs, these highs, these highs, these highs. Will it reach 187? 87, where's 187? You're telling downside, I don't know why. Nah, bro. What you're telling here, right? No, I don't think so. It'll reach 187 because we already trap people here. I feel like it shouldn't go below 18. Yeah, 187.45 around this area. If it pushes high, it should push high from here because we had like good ass consolidation. So, so he exactly tapped here and it's pushing higher. I wanted to like the thing is that I wanted to close partials around here. See around here, close partials. You can hold till these lows, all the way till this Asia's lows, all the way till this Asia lows get taken out. But the thing is that nothing moved here. It actually consolidated. If it actually moved a little bit more, I would have looked for like holding. So I just close it off. My short, the short that I did could have played out. I did this right. Somewhere here. Yeah, we would have been in profits. It's fine. Next time won't do. Next time I'm thinking like if London opens before that it comes. My BAS is correct, so yeah, hold the trade because DXY literally switched up. We came here to take out these highs. See, there's a liquidity sweep over here. Oh, I forgot about AUD, bro. Nah, won't be entering. It pushed too high. If it came somewhere around here or here, I've looked for longs. See, we change the CISD. We have liquidity sweep. We have changed the state of delivery. We inverse this gap, and we have equalize. It's like A plus plus setup. I might go for like small risk. Uh, those trade locker sucks, bro. I can't even keep SL and TP. Okay. We'll enter here. We'll see how it goes. Thing is that we are into this fair value gap right here. So just came it up, took liquidity, so expecting her macro opens in like 3 minutes. Oh, damn, euro pushed. GJ consolidating. Yeah, see the bias played out here. Oh damn it! This was like my this thing, a partial point. Yeah, nice trade. Even though it's break even, it doesn't matter. If bias plays out next time, I'll be more confident. Damn, bro, this actually moved. Never expected it to move this fast. Okay, where's that guy? Who told me this? Abhishek. If you took this trade, you'll be lucky, bro. I don't know what you did. Like literally, it touched and went. It actually disrespected both the fair value gap after consolidation. Nah, got stopped out, I guess. Still in the trade, though. My SL is edging right now. It's somewhere. It got taken out. Gold sucks though. I thought gold will show volume today. Uh, I might go in like 5-10 minutes. I'll see how it goes in this macro time. Mm, 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 mm. Still Bass is bearish because look at this. What we did here is we came, we took out these liquidity again, like London opened. Okay, so the session highs like previous, like what do you call Asia session highs and lows for like that, and came and took out highs and then might push on to take out these lows. You be crushed though. I still feel like it's gonna go here. We have this fair value gap which will act as support. Entry was wrong here. There's one sweep here. Then again we came to sweep. If we inverse, then there's like good chance to reach. Yeah, this timing was wrong. Should have waited for macro here. See, macro opened right here. Macro open, swept liquidity, pushing higher. Euro is fine. I'm happy with this win. Gold, I regret not holding the trade till my SL or TP, but yeah, it happens. Like break even is also fine. And then no re-entry though. Price literally consolidated. Still, still I'm thinking of going shorts till these lows, all the way till these equal lows gets taken out. I'll actually journal this trade. It was 1:2. Somewhere around here. So that I can like add this thing in my journal. So whenever I try to make like same mistake, I can get to know. Because this is something that I've been noticing. Session opens, take out that like if there's a high or low before the session, so it tries to take out and then push to the same direction. Nice candle closure. See, we inverse this gap also, the small one, so high probability that it'll go till here. Nah, bro, it ended in break even. I wanted to re-enter. See, the thing is that I want to re-enter. It's just consolidated, so it didn't feel like entering. And see, the thing is that whenever I take trade and it goes break even, and then again I take that same trade and it goes in loss, now I go in depression. So I tend to like avoid if it goes to break even. So re-entry is not something that is meant for me because it'll actually affect your psychology. See, if you enter here, break even would have been nicer than taking 1% loss or something. But the thing is that direction is playing out. So next time what I'll do, I won't put it in break even. And if I take that same trade again, the risk to reward gets messed up. I can't take here. It'll be 1:1 instead of like 3.5, 1 to 3.5. So there's like big difference by like small margin. See, this was my TP here. Like here, yeah, I could have hit my TP. So we'll see next time I'll hold. It's basically seek and destroy. Price opened here, came, destroyed me, went. Here my bias was bullish, so this is like anti-trend. So reverse trend, I tend to close early, and then if I wanted to hold also, I look for like other confluences that gives me confidence to like hold. So it just pushed in my direction to take out these lows. There was one fair value gap which met at, so there is risk, right? So what I did was GBP. It's not moving at all, so decided to close here everything. Otherwise, I always hold like partials. See this trade. Look at this. I took entry here, stopped out, took out liquidity again, and then I easily pushed these eyes. So this was also 1:2. So hard to keep that in mind, right? So these are some mistakes that I've been making. I didn't wait for the macro to open. The macro opened here, took out liquidity, and then is pushing to these eyes. So I'll journal these type of trade, other trades. I'll just put it in my video so I can watch through my YouTube videos myself. These type of trade hurts, bro. Like the direction plays out, but the entry doesn't. Mm. Gold actually is in this range. Okay, if this is little good probability. The draws are below are nice because we took out liquidity on the higher time frame. So feel like equal these draws are good. So if you guys are trading gold, make sure that you look for shorts more than longs. Just don't keep that in mind that you only have to take shorts. You can take longs, but yeah, make sure the timings are perfect and the risk to reward is good. Where is this guy, bro? Did he take this? Abhishek, did you take this trade though? I just wanted to ask. I feel sorry for him if he didn't take because of me. He was asking me to take long and then, yeah, Mondays are boring. It is chopping around. Are you in college or graduate? I'm in college, bro. I'm in my third year of college. Damn, it pushed properly. That too literally from like a pip, respected so nicely and then went. I love these kinds of trade when it happens. It used to happen in Euro USD, but I don't know. Currently, it's bad. Yeah, bro, BTech. See, it made the top big, so it might push down now. For me, this was the drawn liquidity. If in London session, what I'm expecting is to take out these lows, and if the bias is bullish, because the price is actually bullish, like in overall higher time frame, so New York might push long. How long have you been trading? Around 2.5 to 3 years. And uh, bro, I traded funded, bro. I feel like the thing is that on NAS and S&P, we don't have bottom wick. So last time I could have holded a trade for 1 raised to 20 something. Today I'm thinking of doing that, trying to catch the top or the bottom, because if price actually wants to come and create the bottom wick, it'll be very helpful. Because every time it creates someday, feel like this day or this uh Tuesday. No, it's that day. I feel like this day. Yeah, Wednesday. It literally went without like a wick on the bottom on Thursday, and literally it flipped till here. That day, I guess it lost some $4 trillion. I'll try to do that today because we are in this fair value gap. If it respects and push down and target these lows, I'll be trading NYC. And we have been consolidating, like full consolidation is there. Yeah, we flipped here. See, made the bottom, top wick, and then flipped. Bitcoin, sorry for the charts, it's messy, but yeah, I feel like this was the bottom. If I wanted to invest, like as an investor, I would have invested in this red line. This is like this monthly or weekly. There was this weekly fair value gap. So it is kind of respecting. We took our liquidity. I am expecting prices to push higher. I don't know when will it happen. I feel like it's gonna come someday here and then push higher. If this there are like two cases, okay, on Bitcoin. If it wants to go higher, what it'll do, it will go higher. I know that. Where to enter is this weekly fair value gap, which it might respect, or this support and resistance. Look at this. We took out like resistance, 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 resistance. So nice resistance and support. If you use that, this is like proper buying pl- place. And if we don't, like people should buy here. If it doesn't, if Bitcoin doesn't hold that, it'll crash. Seriously, Bitcoin will lose its value if it doesn't hold this price here. If a candle closes somewhere here, it's gonna go till these lows. So it's practically dead. It should hold 70K. That's what I'm telling. High time frame wise, it's bullish currently. Oh damn, it took out lows. So yeah, uh, we could have entered. I'll close my stream today. Yeah. Nice meeting you guys. Do you invest in crypto? Yeah. I invest in crypto. I used to do NFT when it was famous. So yeah, guys, nice meeting you. I'll go. It's already been how much hours? It's 1.5 hours. So yeah, for today, do you? Yeah, I'm actually ETH. My personal favorite is ETH and XRP, not Bitcoin. The amount I had, I invested here somewhere. I invested here. I invested here. Currently, I'm thinking of doing. ETH actually fell a lot. Never expected ETH to happen like this. I bought somewhere here. ETH is also dead if it closes here. So this mark, it should this is like proper buying phase. This whole area. If it doesn't go on, I don't know how Solana is. ETH, it won't grow. The way it's going, it won't. It'll take at least to 1 or 2 years, I guess. It's bearish weekly, monthly. I feel like yearly also it's bearish. If Bitcoin rises, ETH will rise. So yeah, both are at like good levels of buying. How much am I up here? Break even. Yeah, I made 1%. One loss, one win. One loss, one win, one break even. I hit all three. So yeah, nice seeing you guys. We'll meet again. Till then, bye bye. No, I don't trade crypto. Bro, like message me on Insta or something if yeah, I'll go. So yeah, and bye bye. Yeah, opening wait.